Time now to take a look at your morning headlines. All the news you need to know before you head out the door. Kalamazoo Public Safety is cleaning up after a house fire early this morning on Blakesley Street. Owner says he was doing laundry in the basement when he saw flames were shooting out of his home. He was able to make it out safely and nobody else was hurt. 40-year-old man from Belding was killed in a crash in Grattan Township Sunday night. Deputies in Kent County say his vehicle was heading south in the 4600 block of Ashley Avenue when he lost control and hit a tree. Deputies say he was not wearing a seatbelt. Police say alcohol and speed may also be factors in this crash. 27 are dead after a 5-hour assault by militants at an airport in Karachi, Pakistan. Gunmen disguised as police guards stormed the terminal, opening fire with machine guns and a rocket launcher. The Taliban claims it was behind this attack, saying it was revenge for a drone strike that killed a Taliban chief. Overnight, Las Vegas police raided the apartment of a man and woman believed to be responsible for shooting and killing 3 people. Authorities say the suspect first killed 2 police officers at a restaurant before fatally shooting a 3rd person in the parking lot. They then killed themselves inside a nearby Walmart in an apparent suicide pact. 44-year-old Grady Shields Jr. expected to get a life in prison sentence today. Last month, the jury found him guilty of first-degree premeditated murder and felony murder for the shooting death of Kalamazoo businesswoman Lois Cox. Her body was found 20 years ago in Three Rivers, nearly a week after she disappeared from her Kalamazoo business.
All right, CBS This Morning. Coming up next, Charlie Rose, Gail King, Nora O'Donnell.
Yeah. We love them all.
Yeah, we sure do. We've had a pretty good morning.
Great morning for a Monday, right?
For a Monday.
Yeah.
Got to throw in that caveat, right?
Friday would be better.
Naturally. Let's show you your temperatures, which aren't bad for a Monday. 60 in Kalamazoo, right now 59 in Battle Creek. Here's your 7-day forecast, 80 degrees. Later today, small chance for a shower this afternoon. Another small chance for some rain late in the day on Tuesday.
How about that weekend?
The upcoming weekend.
Yeah.
Primo.
Father's Day weekend. A lot to look forward to.